my name is Shriya, and I'm in 7th grade. And my project is breast cancer detection using an AI service. So I was trying to study how advances in computer science can help with early detection of breast cancer. Here's my procedure. I collected histopathology images from Kaggle. I then used a free tool called Navigator available at the AIClub website to upload these images and create a deep neural network for the classification of cancer in benign or healthy images. After that, I tried several hyperparameters of the deep neural network to tune it for high performance. By doing this, I was able to get accuracies ranging from 70 to 95%. I took a look at the confusion matrix of the classifier, and the goal was to reduce the false negatives because you don't want to miss even a single person having cancer. In addition to using the confidence values output by the AI service, I also plotted something called an ROC curve, which is a very popular and highly used metric for analyzing this kind of binary classification. I used it right over here. So, by analyzing the data and working on it for several weeks, I learned that it is very hard to tune a deep neural network, especially when two categories are hard to tell apart, such as cancer and benign. Getting high-performing AI services with even the latest and greatest tools today takes a lot of time. I also learned about so many different types of data for cancer and how an AI service trained on one type cannot be used for another. I learned that having a huge amount of data always helps the AI service to perform better as well. So, what would I like to do with this information? First, I would like to make it available for the public to get feedback. And second, I would like to make it available to some physicians to get their feedback as well.